Good day, everyone. It's your boy Toto Taker, and welcome back to this week's weekly market breakdown. Here I'm having DXY, which is I always show you guys if you like or you love trading the USD pairs, you need to familiarize yourself with the DXY, which is the dollar index. So as you can see now, I'm on my on my daily time frame. Okay, so on my daily time frame, as you can see, I've actually spotted this sensitive area and the market actually reversed from that area. So as you can see here also, the market actually plays around the zone. So I'll just put it there to cater for those touches as well. And also this one. This one, yeah, let me just put it like this. Okay, as you can see, after the market broke those lows, came retested. Now the market has been trending to the downside to actually fall what this previous structure. So this previous structure and the 90% rule of it is actually completed. So as you can see now, let's move to our 4-hour time frame and try to figure out what's going on the DXY. So as you can see now on our 4-hour time frame, we actually have this clear structure of a descending channel. You can see of this. You also have this. And let me put it there. You can see we have a descending type of a formation, which is now we know the market has to reverse and change direction, start shooting to the upside to actually forward. That's 90% rule of our pattern of our descending channel. Okay, so now after this we have to let's actually pay attention on this price here. So after we got a what after we got this impulse shoot to the upside, we actually got a correction. Now expecting the market to push to the upside, which is it's an impulse shoot to the upside, correction. Now we're expecting what? A continuation to the upside. So let me just remove this and actually analyze using my trend lines. So as you can see now, we have what? We have this corrective formation. You have this corrective formation, which is a continuation flag. And as you can see here, we had this zone. So we had the zone. That is why the market actually had to break, come retest and respect the zone, which is this one. As you can see here's the zone. This is where the market had to come respect for it to be able to continue shooting to the upside, filling the 90% rule. So let's move to a 1-hour time frame. I want to show you something. So as you can see on our 1-hour time frame, we have the type of a formation: left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and the market has to continue shooting to the upside because of the inverse head and shoulders formation. So we have also have the inverse head and shoulder formations. So now on our DXY, we are expecting buys. That means the dollar now it's gaining strength. So whatever pair that's against the dollar, we buy. No, if the dollar is the base currency, we buy. Yeah, if it's if the pairs against the dollar, we sell. So let's move to, let me just analyze gold and NASDAQ. So let me just analyze gold quickly for you guys on our daily time frame. Yeah, on our daily time frame, as you can see, we have this overall of what. Okay, let's just focus on zones first. As you can see now, we are actually on the zone and we've been rejecting for quite a long time. After this impulse shoot to the downside, so it might be a consolidation and a continuation to this level. So let me just remove my everything. So let's just spot out this zone. So let's move to our 4-hour time frame on gold. Yeah, so on our 4 hour time frame, let me just put this somewhere here on our upper side, and let me clone it and try to bring it below. Okay, if we put it here, it actually makes sense also. Yeah, so let me just pull it a bit. So let's remove this zone so we are aware of that zone. So as you can see now, we're expecting the market to actually maybe drop a bit low. Remember we said any pair that's against the what the dollar has to what is to we have to see sales. As you can see, XAUUSD, we have to be expecting selling opportunities. So as you can see, we had a what an impulse shoot to the downside, and a continuation flag. Now the market broke. I think it has to retest, then continue shooting to the downside. So let's analyze what the structure. So as you can see, we have those lows here. The market is busy respecting those lows. So you might expect what this type of a formation. Then the market might just play around here, maybe before dropping, might get something like this. But we are expecting selling opportunities on gold. For me, I'm expecting selling opportunities, and I'll be targeting this as my first take profit. If the market gives me that a consolidation, which is a continuation, I'll just keep on adding my take profits. So for me, gold, it has to what maybe sell until this low level. Okay, we are done with gold. Let me move to NASDAQ. I know a lot of you guys, I love NASDAQ. So let me just remove everything and go to my daily time frame. And we actually have the same analysis on NASDAQ. As you can see, the market actually broke that structure. Let me just clone it. You can just put it here below. As you can see, we had a double bottom formation here, W formation, and now the market has been it's been a bit of a push to the upside. So you also had this zone here. So let's move to my 4 hour time frame. So as you can see on our 4 hour time frame, this is how the structure is. So let me just zoom in. So as you can see, the market has been it's been creating this type of a formation. Okay, I'll just put it here. A bit of a bullish trend. So as you can see, let's move to my 1 hour time frame and try to figure out what's going on here. So the market had to come retest this. So so as you can see now, the market is giving us a formation of a continuation flag. So for now, let's just target this highs for now on NASDAQ. Let's just target those highs. Yeah, as our take profits, then we'll take it from there. NASDAQ can be tricky sometimes. This might be your first take profit and the 90% rule of this previous channel. This previous channel. We might follow the 90% rule, then we'll take it from there. So yeah, here is NASDAQ for you guys. So let me just take a look maybe at 1 pence at USD. Let me see what do we have here. So I think I'm seeing selling opportunities. As you can see, we had a double top formation. Now the market came in an impulse correction. Now it broke our correction. So NZD it has to sell. So any pair that's against the USD has to sell. Any pair that's USD is the base currency has to actually buy. So because of what the dollar index says, dollar is gaining strength, you know. So thank you guys for joining me into the session. It's your boy Tlotlo Taker, signing out.